Firstly, before I start this video off, I want to show you what the underside of the 120 ATI looks like. Oh, you'll see the muffler just going over my head. The location of the flap is always on the left hand side with any BMW, except for, you know, M cars, because they'll have two flaps on either side because they're usually quad outlets. It is the resonator and the GPF filter itself, and then after that you see it curve up, and I guess that's where it connects with the catalytic converter itself. Another thing that you guys may or may not realise is that you can tell that the 120 ATI's exhaust system is a slightly different setup to the 135i's. Hence why exhaust manufacturers are still in the development process of making an aftermarket exhaust for this car. Thank you once again. I will catch you guys on the next one. Cheers.